everyone, welcome back to our maths class NCERT solutions. Let's make concept simple, clear and easy to understand. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more maths videos. And start the exercise which I told you will start. That is exercise 2.4, what it says, what is the main concept there. Okay, let's start. Okay, so today's topic is linear growth and linear decay. So सिंपल सा मीनिंग है हमारे पास, हमने लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल के बारे में समझ लिया है ना. So this linear polynomial will say, and after that we had done about linear pattern. So in this topic we will understand about linear pattern classification, that is linear growth and linear decay. Means suppose कोई village है, there is a village, right? अब वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट में जो पॉपुलेशन है वो समथिंग लैक्स में है. सपोज 7 लाख पॉपुलेशन या 70,000 समथिंग लाइक पॉपुलेशन है. एंड हर साल ईच ईयर वहाँ से लोग इमिग्रेट कर रहे हैं या जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. And it is something like 3,000 people every year is going from the village to the other city, ठीक है. So what will happen after few years? Suppose we have after 10 years population will be okay. So this question arises कि after 10 year what will happen. Obvious है 7 लाख people हैं, तो अगर आप 7 lakhs people को 7 लाख people हैं जहाँ पे कि आप क्या करेंगे, हर साल 3,000 माइनस करेंगे तो आपको कितनी बार करना पड़ेगा, 10 ईयर करना पड़ेगा. और आप पिछली वीडियो में समझ चुके हैं कि वी व्हेन देयर इज अ continuity difference or continuity difference in the pattern, we can use a rule. So for this condition we can form a rule that every year 7 lakh, ठीक है, माइनस हो जाएगा. सपोज 10 ईयर्स की बात है, 10 ईयर्स में 3,000 हर साल ईच ईयर 3,000 गए हैं, ठीक है. देन यहाँ पे हो जाएगा हमारे पास, क्योंकि हमें सीधा बताना है कि आफ्टर 10 ईयर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ विलेज विल बी, तो पॉपुलेशन ऑफ विलेज विल बी, इट विल बी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, 7 लाख है ये, ठीक है, माइनस 10 इंटू 3 विल बी 30,000, तो 7 lakh minus 30,000 will be 6,70,000. 6,70,000. तो दिस विल बी द आंसर. तो ये जो हमने पैटर्न बनाया यही हमने पढ़ा था, बस यहाँ पे हम इसको यूज करेंगे फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डीके. अंडरस्टूड? लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द इक्वेशन बिकॉज इट्स अ basic simplification and explanation of what linear growth and linear decay means here. Okay, we'll start solving the question of exercise. I think आप ये समझ चुके होंगे कि हमें सॉल्यूशन किस तरीके से करना है. सबसे पहले हमें क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि व्हाट द क्वेश्चन आस्क, एंड देन वी विल सॉल्व स्टेप बाय स्टेप according to the question. Suppose a plant has height 1.75 feet and it grows by 0.5 feet each month. इतनी बात क्लियर होगी. Find the height after 7 months. तो similar type of question, there is a linear growth here because you can see ना, it grows. यहाँ पे grows word समझ में clearly हमें बता रहा है कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, plant की height में growth आ रही है. So we will just solve by simply forming a pattern and then putting the values in each part. Okay, so here for the solution we have height of plant. What is the height? 1.75 feet, right? Now next is it grows 0.5 each. So each month how much it grows? It grows 0.5 feet, right? So what's the next thing we do? We will form a pattern. Okay, so linear pattern क्या follow होगा इसमें? we know that what we know, अगर हम roughly समझे यहाँ पे, we know that right now it is 1.75 feet. For the next month will be 1.75 feet plus 0.5. For the third month will be, या तो हम क्या करें 1.75 प्लस, अब 2 मंथ बीत चुके हैं, थर्ड मंथ की बात, थर्ड मंथ भी वो 0.5 रेट से बड़ा होगा, it is multiplication. For the fourth month we will say 1.75 plus 4 into 0.5. So we got a pattern. What it is a pattern? What's the pattern? The actual height plus, क्योंकि grow हो रहा है तो plus the particular growth of each month, that is 0.5 into, अब बिकॉज हाइट है तो हम h से डिनोट कर सकते हैं या मंथ ना m से डिनोट कर देते हैं, द मंथ फॉर द हाइट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर मंथ. ठीक है, सो वी गेट द लीनियर पैटर्न इज 1.75 प्लस 0.5 m. अब यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं where m is equal to month, मतलब where m is as month. So when we solve this we have first part, क्या होगा हमारे पास? Yes, the first part, what it is asking that make a find the height of after 7 months. तो for 7 month means m हमारे पास कितना है? 7 है, तो we will put 1.75 so we get, this is not m, okay, this is not m, so we'll write it again. It is 1.75 plus 0.5 into 7. The solution will be 1.75 plus 3.5, and we have 5, 12, 5.2 feet. Okay. Okay, in the second question what it says, make a table. We have to create a table for t varying from 0 to 10 months and show how the height h increases every month. We have to also see how h is increasing. Okay, for that we have to create a table. Let's create the table and solve according to that. So we created a table where this is month, जिसको हमने t से डिनोट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज हाइट. ओके, रिलेशन क्या था हमारे पास? 1.75 प्लस just again एक minute. So it was, that's the month, and this is height. Okay, height relate कैसे कर रहा है? 1.75. So for 0 month, we have, for 0 month we have 1.75 meter, sorry 7.5 feet height. ठीक है. Next, for okay, and the table will relate from this relation. Okay, so put the 1 for t here, we will get 2.25 feet. Okay, all will be in feet. For the second month it will be, put the t, we will get 2.75 feet. Okay, for the third month it will be 3.25 feet, and so on. For the fourth month it will be 3.75 feet. For the fifth month it will be 4.25 feet. For the sixth month it will be 4.75 feet. Seventh month it will be 5.25. आपको बस क्या करना है, ये जो हर नंबर है वो यहाँ पे टी पे पुट करना है, and we'll get for each month. For 8, 9, 10 you will solve and comment the answer. Okay, now let's go for the question number third. What is third part of the question number 1, what it says. Okay, so in question number 3 it says find an expression that relate h and t and explain why it represent linear growth. So we already had mentioned the linear pattern and how it represent linear growth. For the solution we'll just write the linear expression again. किस तरीके से है कि h is equal to 1.75 plus 0.5 into t, where t I mentioned that these are the month. We have already mentioned as m before in question number 1, but here we will use it because in the question it says that t and h represent height. Okay, we will have solved question number 1. Now we'll solve question exercise other questions. Till then, keep watching the videos, please subscribe and do share the channel. Thank you so much.